severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:51 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms extended from Carpentersville to Elgin and was moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Glenview, Elmhurst, Lombard, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Addison, Glendale Heights, and Northbrook. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special Marine